Hey guys, Steve here. Okay, so in this video, I want to kind of go over how I do my keywords, and also I want to go over how I scrub my keywords. This is one of the questions I get a lot, and I get asked a lot on Facebook and Skype and all sorts of other things. And so I just want to go over this really fast. So the first thing I do is I go to keywordshitter.com. If you don't know it, you need to start using this. This is a fantastic long tail keyword getting program. You can also use other programs like Longtail Pro or whatever. This is just what I prefer to use. And what we're going to do today is we're going to go over tree trimming. And so you type in your keywords, whatever they are, trimming trees, tree trimming, whatever. You can do a list of them right here. And then after you're done, you hit this button. It says shit keywords. It is totally going for all the puns here. So we're going to let this run till about 200, right there, 211, that's good. And the next thing that we do is we use this negative filter. So when I'm looking at some of these, I can see that tools, saw, equipment, pole, truck, jobs, ladder, insurance, machine, gear, things of that nature, I probably don't need. So one of the things I can do is just type in cost, or not cost, I want that in there. I can type in tools, let's see, equipment, saw, pole, truck, ladder, insurance, gear, jobs, job. Let's see, Barbie. Okay, I did not know that Barbie was into tree trimming. Whatever. App. And so basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to kind of go through here and find most of the keywords, or not most, but just a few keywords that I know that I'm not going to need. Like for instance, a boom lift. I'm not needing a lift. That would be up to, you know, the arborist to do. Clip art, okay. Okay, so now I've narrowed it down to 184 keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select all, copy, and then I'm going to throw these over into a spreadsheet. This is just a G sheet. You guys can use any type of spreadsheet that you want. I prefer G sheets from Google Docs. All right, so now I've got these in here. We've got 184 keywords. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to start scrubbing these keywords. Now I want to show you a really fast and simple way of scrubbing keywords. It works for me. It's something that I've discovered, and it works super fast. Comparatively of just trying to kill all of these, going here in a row and saying, oh, here's one I don't want, here's what I don't want. What we want to do is we want to go in for the ones that we do want. So the ones that I do want, I just kind of go over here and look at them and drag and drop them. So I have cost, services, near me, company, removal. So let's go right here. And I just drag and drop these over. Now we're going to clean up these lines here in a minute. Don't worry about that. But what we're going to do is we're just going to drag all these over. So here's an average cost. Let's see, pruning, that's probably a good one. Gutter cleaning, sure, why not? Stump removal, removal costs. Pruning, didn't grab it. Let's see. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going up to where this little hand thing is, and that's what allows me to grab it. Okay, so here's a great one by Power Lines. Let's see. Benefits, that's a good supporting keyword. Cost per hour. Tree trimming companies in my area. Contractors. Certified arborist, that's good. Not worried about clippers. Cheap, for people that are looking for cheap. Companies near me. I'll scroll up. Deaths, drop off. Estimates. There we go. There's another good one. Experts. Again, I'm just kind of going through here. I'm picking the ones that I really want, not the ones that I don't want. All I have to do is read just a little bit, and I can find exactly the ones that I want, and it makes scrubbing a whole lot easier. The way I used to do it was I used to find the ones that I did not want and scrub all of those, and that took a lot of time. So here's another thing. If there's a tree trimming service that does stuff for seniors, that's fantastic right there. Let's see. Hourly rates. Here's a good one. Tree trimming in summer. This is mainly talking about what season you should probably trim your trees in. Let's see. Just kind of going through here. We've only got a few more to go through. Okay, so that's about it that we've got right there. And what we'll go ahead and do is we'll scroll all the way back up. And what you can do is hit the B column. It'll select everything in the column and copy it, okay? From there, we're going to go back over, and we're going to go to textmechanic.co. I highly recommend you use the .co as opposed to the .com. .co has a lot more features in it, and it's also got a lot more tools. So what we'll do is we scroll down here to the basic text tools, and we want to see remove duplicate lines. Sometimes you get duplicates, sometimes you don't. So the big thing that we want to do before we get started is hit remove empty lines and remove display or display removed. Okay. And so what we'll go ahead and do is select all that, delete it, throw it in. Now my cursor all of a sudden went down to here. It looks like we don't actually have anything in there, but that's fine. We just have a lot of empty lines. Now we hit remove duplicates. And there we just removed all of those empty lines. We removed any duplicates, and you can see what they are. I don't have any duplicates in this one, this particular amount of keywords, but sometimes you do, and that's good to know. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to here, and I am going to delete this. Come over here again, delete this, and I will go ahead and throw these in there. And if you noticed, I now have 28 keywords that I just scrubbed out of 211. So, and that actually we scrubbed that down to 184 before we started. So again, this is a really fast way of being able to scrub keywords. And it's by finding the keywords that you do want and not worrying about the ones that you don't want. Because we can always kill all of those. So, all right, guys, I hope this has been beneficial for you, and I hope it's been helpful. And have a great day.